guys, so if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. I know that most of you that are here are not new to my channel, and it is not new news that I am a stylist with Stella Dot. I've been for 6 years now, which is so crazy. I am going to post my video that I did, gosh, I think it's been 2 years now. Life as a Stylist below if you want more kind of like background about why I got into it and what has kept me here and just how much I love it. Stella Dot is not only a job for me, but it's like a huge passion of mine. And if you are familiar with any of my social media channels, that will not come as a surprise to you. I love it. I share it all the time. I just want everybody to know about it because it's not only an amazing accessories brand and something that I get excited to wear and style every day, but it has opened so many doors for me and provided so many amazing opportunities and made dreams come true that I didn't even know I had. So I love this company. I love everything it stands for. I love the jewelry. I love the clothing, the bags, everything. If you guys ever want to know more, my email will be in the description box. You can always shoot me a message on Instagram, and I would love to talk to you guys about it. This video is going to kind of be like a Stella Dot unboxing, but not of a new collection, which I traditionally typically do, but this is actually going to be of our new Stylist kit. So for the longest time, when you sign up as a stylist, you completely had, and you still have, free reign to choose whatever pieces you want for yourself to display at your trunk shows. They've recently launched this new starter kit option where you get even more product for minimum investment, and they are all bestsellers company-wide. Over $1,000 worth of product. I'm gonna show you everything that comes in that. So, starting with 2 bags, one of which, again, if you are new, if you are an OG, and I don't mean like 11-year OG, but if you've been a more recent customer of mine or just viewer of my videos or on Instagram, none of this stuff's gonna come as a shock. A lot of these things I wear and share myself, so let's just roll with it. But this is our day tripper bag in the camo. Mine is actually right here. This is mine. This is brand new. You will get a brand new one. I use mine as a diaper bag. I have since I got it. I love this bag because it has a ton of room. I love the camo print. And there's just like a lot of little nice features. So the outside's camo, the inside's this blush floral. There's other like pockets within. And then it expands if you need it to be even bigger. You just unzip this. This is another feature on our getaway bag, and it becomes bigger if you need it to be. So this is an amazing mom bag / airplane, carry-on, travel tote, beach tote. It's so good. You also get this tote, which to me feels and looks more like a typical beach tote. The material is kind of like quilted. There's an outside pocket here, which I always appreciate outside pockets because I can easily just slip my phone in there. I think we all can agree that that's probably in our hands more than it's in our bags. The inside is a really pretty blush pink. This bag is much more structured than the Day Tripper. Kind of has like, not a stiff base, but it has a base. So it'll stand up a little bit easier. And then just really nice straps. It's still very lightweight though. So this is a great bag. And then you can snap the sides if you kind of want to reshape the bag or make it bigger. You have that option. So both of these bags are yours in your starter kit. You also get one of my favorite pieces. This is our Carley Poncho, and I actually, again, have one hanging upstairs. You've probably seen it if you follow me on Instagram. It's essentially a extremely soft, so soft, comfortable poncho. Slips over your head, does have a little bit of a sleeve, like a 3/4 length sleeve, and it's very lightweight. It's almost, but not see-through. So you guys might own our Addy poncho or have seen it. Our Addy is a little bit thicker and heavier, warmer, better for fall, winter. This is an amazing spring, summer nights, chilly on the beach, cuddle up, cozy up. What's great about this is you can not only slip it on over your head, but once it's on, you can then slip it kind of the neck part behind and it becomes a circle cardigan. This is an amazing breastfeeding cover too. So if you are a new mama, even if you are pregnant right now, like I am, this covers the bump very nicely. But then once you are in that nursing stage, I loved our Addie for that. This is even better for this time of year because it's so lightweight. Just pop your baby right underneath and so easy. So, and you do get to choose your size. Choose a size that's gonna fit you, that you're gonna wanna wear to your trunk shows and out and about, so that everybody compliments you and asks you where you got your top. And you're gonna get this entire box of jewelry. So, if you are not familiar with Stella Dot, let me just introduce you to one of the best things about us, which is our packaging. Super cute, gift ready. I mean, stick a bow on this around the holidays and it's like ready to go. So let's try to get through these quick because you get a ton of stuff. First thing you're gonna get is our Ashley chandelier earrings. If you need a good summer staple to wear with your bathing suits, to wear with your maxi dresses, to wear with anything because they're white, meet the Ashley earrings. So lightweight, all these beads, thousands and thousands and thousands of beads, little gold, vintage gold tassels and stud up here, and they actually do convert, so you can take the tassel off and just have like a white and gold easy stud for your ears. Personally, I love a dangle. I love a good tassel earring in the summer. So you get the Ashley earrings. You get my favorite of the 3 colorways we do this in now, Eve's Wrap Bracelet. It is on a blush leather. It has snap closures and you just wrap it around and it has leather and all these really beautiful beads, blush tone, hematite, gray, silver. Love, love, love this one. We also have this in gray and like a cognac gold tone, but personally the blush is my favorite. You get a silver little heart. This is from our brand new, just launched this year, Namesake Collection, where you basically can create your own charm necklace and add initials or hearts, earrings that are part of this collection, little hoops that you can put the dangles on. Stay tuned, I'll show you more about this one. Those all come in gold or silver. Our best-selling Kari necklace. This is a long layered piece that actually you can create 2 separate necklaces, 2 separate looks without taking it out because it's going to be super long. You have this little crescent. This necklace is completely lightweight. You have this little hammered crescent and then you have this longer little point. So you can wear it as one and it's all connected, or you can take this piece off and wear the layers separately. Choice is yours. Over a third of our line is versatile in that way, like converts to do different things. Earrings convert to studs, statement necklaces you can wear a bunch of different ways, layered pieces, like this is an oldie but a goodie, the Grandie. This one converts where you can just separate all 3. This is our, also new this year, a more disc pendant. I actually have the gold one, I don't have the silver one. But you've probably seen me wear the gold one. So it's just essentially like a silver kind of dipped coin. And then if you wanted to, you could always add the little heart charm right on here. And what I really love about these new necklaces is they have this like pulley system where you essentially can adjust the necklace while it's on your neck. And if you're somebody like me that loves to layer your necklaces, but you don't really know like where they're gonna fall before you clasp them, this is great because you can totally adjust it based on whatever else you're wearing. We also have our essential hammered heart hoops. These, I have sold so many pairs. People go absolutely nuts for these earrings. They are the simplest things, but when they are in your ears, they just are so dang adorable. Just simple bent wires, and they're in the shape of hearts. So sometimes depending on how they are, like how they're facing, they could look just like a hoop, and most times you get the full heart effect. I love these. They are so simple, so dainty. If you like more of a statement earring, but gravitate towards more like simple, those are perfect. This is one of our Onda Intention bracelets. This one's Wisdom. We have quite a few in this collection now. I love this one because it has the rose gold, which is my favorite, mixed with pearls, hematite, silver, and gray. Just gorgeous. These are stretch bracelets. We have a bunch of them that come in different colors. Some represent strength, courage, wisdom, luck, all the things. petal necklace in silver. I will tell you that the petal bracelet and the petal earrings, the hoops, are my favorites and some of my best sellers. So this is another one of those pieces that converts to two different ones. It's very delicate and dainty. These pieces separate. So if you wanted something really simple, like if you have the celestial choker that I love and you wanted to just layer something really simple or do them together or just do the longer piece, totally up to you. Sticking with these silver tones, and for me, like an essential on my arm parties is the Nicolette stretch bracelet. I love these. They're just so simple. Look so great stacked with our other Onda stretch bracelets. I have the gold and the silver, and this is so easy, so great to wear on its own, but also looks amazing stacked with a bunch of other bracelets. Then you get our Brilliance bracelet, and they did this for autism this year. Every April, they design a autism awareness bracelet. It's a pulley bracelet. It's super pretty. It's colorful and it has silver beads and you can adjust the length on it. And I always love the packaging of these. This is what our celestial choker comes in too. Oh, I love this one. This is the heart. Call it a bracelet, call it a necklace. It does both. It's just one strand of turquoise beads. I prefer to wear these as a wrap bracelet. I just love, you guys know I love my like jingle jangles on my wrist. You can actually just wear it as one long strand or double it up and wear it as a necklace. You get our engravable bangle, and it is engraved with "Do What You Love," which I love. And it's the rose gold one. Might be hard to see. It says "Do What You Love." These are amazing, so shiny, and you can make them personal. Great gifts too. And then this last big daddy here, statement necklace. This is our best-selling Sullivan necklace. I actually don't own this one. I don't know why. This is gorgeous. Layers and layers of beads. If you are new to mixing metals or not as comfortable with it, this is a great piece to start you out. And this strand with the little tassels hanging off detaches. These 4 mixed metal pieces detach, and then you have the gold and white, almost like washed, like whitewash beads. So again, this can break down into many different necklaces, many different looks, many different combinations. If you like it more simple, or if you like a big statement, this kind of gives you the option. If you have our Sutton necklace and you're familiar with the functionality of that, this works the exact same way. That is all the jewelry you get. Top of all of the actual goodies, you're also gonna receive another box that has all of your business supplies. These are everything you need to help you get started. That all comes in with your new kit. That is everything I wanted to show you that you get in our bestsellers kit. You would pay $199 up front. You receive all of these jewelry items and bags and top. If you can sell $1,000 within your first 30 days, which essentially can be done in one trunk show very easily, they waive the second payment of $100. If you don't choose to sell the $1,000 or you can't sell the $1,000, then you would be charged an additional $100. The most you would pay for all of this is $299, but remember, you're getting $1,000 plus worth of product. What's really nice is now they give you this option where they will waive the second payment, so you can sign up as a stylist for even less, and you basically get your whole business handed to you in a box with full access to our customer service team, full access to doing the easiest returns and refunds exchanges ever. You basically have your own business. You're basically an entrepreneur with very little out-of-pocket costs. So as a stylist, once you're signed up, you automatically receive an amazing 25% discount on anything and everything whenever you want. And then there's never any pressure or quotas, minimums to sell. However, there's always really nice incentives to be active, and one of those is a 50% discount off of the new collections when they launch. There's exclusive stylist pieces, there's free trips, there's just a lot of incentive, a lot of reason to make your business work for you, but essentially you work when and how and where you want. So there's just a ton of flexibility, which I love because life gets crazy sometimes and we don't always have the means and the time to run our business the way we do, and then life slows down a little bit and you have the time and you can pick it up again. So it just works with you and your schedule and your busy life. So if you guys have any other questions, like I said, my email will be below. I could talk Stella Dot with you guys like all day, every day. Most of you know that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.